Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back once again with another baby food recipe which you can make within 15 to 20 minutes. I'll start off with my sweet potatoes and then add broccoli and sweet chilies. I'll cover this and let them cook for about 10 minutes. After that, I will ensure my sweet potatoes especially are well cooked. Next, I'll add my grilled chicken. Stir it and leave them together to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add as much water as needed, and then after the 2 to 3 minutes, mash everything together. This is all now done and looking lovely, ready to serve. This recipe is ideal for 9 to 12-month-old baby. I like the fact that this baby food has no salt, no oil and no spices in it. It's just perfect. Hey! He put his hand in it. Oh my god. Baby, okay.
Mommy!
Yeah, good. Baby's in a hurry. Yeah. Well done. This is nice. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you like about the video, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and don't forget to turn on your notifications bell to receive alerts anytime new videos are posted. Thank you.